skin. Okay, this is our home skin. So if I just add something here, like now I am adding this deal 5 into my new order, and I am just press on hold, so it's going to in hold, right? So this is going to in on hold. And if I go on here my order page, here I see my new order is here, this one. Okay, so here is the button, you see that the add new item. So once you are clicking here, you are redirect into our product page, and you also see the which product you are already in order. Okay, so this one. So here I'm just typing is already order in hold. So I want to add deal 6 into my new, like my update order. Okay, and if I want, I can select multiple multiple, okay, yeah, multiple items into my this order against. Okay, so once I adding these two product, and this is my existing on, and once you can see here everything is else. So this one, these two quantities, this new update. Okay, but there the calculation is total. So once you are pressing here, you can see this order will be updated, right? Yeah, you can see your order has been updated. So once you are go into your order page, here you can see, here you can see my order is updated. You see this deal 5, and we are adding this deal 6, deal 2. Okay, if you want more add into this product, then you can see, you can add, and you can see this is our updated. Okay,